How does the construction and layout of Ramses VI's tomb reflect ancient Egyptian beliefs about the afterlife? The construction and layout of Ramses VI's tomb serve as a testament to the ancient Egyptian beliefs surrounding the afterlife. The tomb is meticulously aligned along an east-west axis, with its entrance strategically placed on the western side. This deliberate alignment symbolically connects the tomb to the celestial journey of the sun god Ra, as he traverses the underworld. As one ventures deeper into the tomb, they encounter a series of corridors and chambers that lead to the burial chamber itself. Adorned with intricate religious texts, vivid scenes, and depictions of deities, the burial chamber serves as the final resting place for the pharaoh's sarcophagus. These embellishments represent the pharaoh's transition from the earthly realm to the realm of the afterlife. The walls within the tomb are adorned with elaborate inscriptions known as the Book of the Dead. Furthermore, the tomb features ritual chambers and corridors, such as the Hall of Pillars and the Hall of Beauties, which were utilized for ceremonial purposes and offerings to ensure the pharaoh's successful passage into the afterlife. Additionally, hidden passages and false doors were incorporated to confound and deter tomb robbers. Through the careful integration of these elements, Ramses VI's tomb was intended to equip the pharaoh with the necessary tools, guidance, and protection needed to navigate the afterlife successfully and attain eternal life. Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.